Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for IRS tax debt relief. First, assess your financial situation to determine which relief program best suits your needs. The IRS offers several options, including offer in compromise, installment agreements, and penalty abatement. Understanding these programs is the crucial first step. We will guide you through identifying the right path to resolve your tax obligations. Let's dive into the specific relief options. An offer in compromise, or OIC, lets you resolve your tax liability with the IRS for a lower amount than you originally owe. An installment agreement allows you to make manageable monthly payments, typically over a period of up to 72 months. Finally, penalty abatement can remove penalties if you demonstrate reasonable cause for noncompliance. To apply, you'll need to gather all your financial documents, including bank statements, pay stubs, and expense records. Next, accurately complete either Form 433A, Collection Information Statement for Wage Earners and Self-Employed Individuals, or Form 433F, Collection Information Statement. These forms provide the IRS with a clear picture of your financial situation. Finally, submit your completed application and all supporting documents. Always consider seeking professional tax advice, especially for complex situations or if you have a significant tax debt. This ensures you choose the best path forward. Remember, maintaining compliance with all future tax filings and payments is essential to keep your relief program active. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. We hope this guide helps you navigate your tax debt relief journey successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.